Today I'm going to teach you how to upload a project on GitHub. This is essential for version control and collaborating with other developers on your code. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the GitHub homepage, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to upload your project. After signing in, you'll see your GitHub dashboard. Look at the left panel of your screen where you'll find a list of your repositories. These are the containers where all your projects are stored. Click on the specific repository where you want to upload your project. If you don't see the repository you're looking for, scroll through the list until you find it. Once you're inside the repository, look for the button labeled Add File. This button is typically located in the upper right area of the repository page near other action buttons. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with a couple of options. From this menu, select Upload Files. This action will take you to a new page specifically designed for uploading content to your repository. On the upload page, you'll see a large area where you can add your files. You have two options here. You can either drag your project folder or individual files directly into this upload area, or you can click on the Choose Your Files link to browse through your computer's file system. If you choose to browse, a File Explorer window will open up. Navigate through your folders to locate the project you want to upload. Select the files or folder by clicking on them. Once you've made your selection, click the Open button. This will add your chosen files to the upload queue, and you'll see them listed on the GitHub page with their names and file sizes. After your files are loaded and ready, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find a green button that says Commit Changes. This button is crucial because it finalizes your upload and officially adds your project to the repository. Click on Commit Changes to complete the process. GitHub will take a moment to process and upload all your files to the repository, and that's it. Your project is now successfully uploaded to GitHub, where you can track changes, collaborate with others, and manage your code efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.